Hello, my name is Dick Crabb, and during lockdown I've been helping Dave Johnson, Don Main, Tom White and others to present a series of tutorials about CAD. Now I'm trying to do a little recap, split it into little bite-sized chunks. In lesson 2 I went through how I would create a 3D chair. Now I'm going to try and turn it into a block. It's on layer 0 because that allows us to insert it wherever we like, in whichever layer we like when it comes to a bigger drawing. First thing I want to do is give it some attributes, as the gurus rightly pointed out very often with, for example, a furniture supply company. They'll want a list of what's needed, and that can be exported from the CAD plan, but we don't want to put it on the plan itself that we print out. So I'm going to go to the layers function section, and I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to call it seating reference. Seating, no, what are we going to call it? Let's call it seating attributes. And I'm going to make that layer active, so this is now the layer that I'm drawing on. Before I create the block, I'm going to give it some definitions, some attributes. So draw block, define block attributes. This is something that Tom showed me and I got enormously excited about. Here, for example, is where we're going to so these are going to be the fields for the block's attributes. This could be the supplier company, and we could supplier name. Now you notice I've got hidden checked here. That's because I don't want to see it on the drawing, but we do want the information. So I'm just going to drop that in there, and I'm also going to draw another attribute which will be and I can't have blanks in the attributes, so I'm thinking that a furniture supply company will give everything a reference, and there we have it. I'm now going to in draft site, exporting a block is called exporting the drawing. So I'm going to export the drawing. Specified entities. I'm going to convert it into a block. So specify the entities. I'm going to drag it, select all of them. You can see down there 11 were found. Converting it into a block. Specify the base point. So this will be the point at which, when you bring it into a drawing, that's where it will go. I'm thinking front dead center is probably as good as anything. Let's give it a name. Let's make it something as the guys said, make it a name that makes sense. Seat 3D 500mm. That's probably close enough. Save. Okay. Now you can see as we're doing it, the references, the external attributes have come up, supplier and supplier reference. I'm going to tick OK. But you notice that nothing has come up. So let's just do an insert block. So this is now the one that we've created. I'm going to drop it in there. See down here, this is where you could put the supplier name. And the reference, seat 12. There you go. You can see that nothing has appeared in the block itself, but if we click on it, the attributes are there. And that's going to be very interesting because AutoCAD, DraftSite have a way of exporting that information.